In today's video, I'll teach you how to book Grab car in advance in Malaysia. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Grab application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure Malaysia option is selected as the country. So if you want to book the Grab car, for that, what you have to do is simply find the option for car in the home interface. Once you find it, tap on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is select the drop-off location over here. Tap on the field of where to. Now simply select the drop-off location over here. You can search for it, or you can also simply tap on the suggested location or recent locations. Now after you do that, you'll also have to select the pickup location. For that, tap on the field of pickup at. Now what you have to do is simply select the pickup location over here. Now once you do that, what you have to do is simply tap on this option, choose this pickup that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface at bottom, you'll be able to find two options, book standard and calendar. Simply tap on this option for calendar. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to do the advanced booking. Tap on this option, get started. Now what you have to do is choose the date and time. Tap on the field of date. Now what you have to do is simply select the date over here. Tap on the date of your choice and tap on the option OK. Now once you do that, also select the time. You can select the time like this. Now tap on this option OK that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, simply tap on this option book in advance that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to schedule it. For that, simply tap on this option schedule standard. Now once you do that, what you have to do is select the payment method, complete the transaction and follow all the process that you follow while booking the car normally. After you do that, your Grab car will be booked in advance. So that is how you book Grab car in advance in Malaysia. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.